Hi ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So girl, today I come to you with some brand new units. I'm sure that you have been waiting on this wig review for the longest, but I'm finally here and I'm excited. Okay, Neesha 204 and I also have Neesha 205. Now if you have not seen my other wig reviews of the other Outre Neesha, it was like 201 and 203. I did not review 202. I was stupid. I should have reviewed 202, but I did not. Alright ladies, so we're gonna go ahead and unpackage this wig. Now I am really excited to try out this color. I really don't know how this color is gonna turn out on me. Y'all, like, I think I like this. Like, girl, look at this. Like, look at the curl pattern. Like, and this color look like it's everything, girl. I can tell that, y'all, this unit has a lot of potential. Like, it's so cute, y'all. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch his hair. Like, I don't even want to touch it. Like, I don't even want to do anything to it because I just like it like it is. I just like it like it is. Like, I don't even want to touch it. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling this unit because I am dying to see how she is gonna be looking, and I cannot wait to take my pictures. But girl, I'll be right back, so stay tuned so we can go ahead and style this unit. So girl, I'll be right back. Okay girl, I'll be right back. This unit, and girl, this unit is bomb. Oh, this unit is the bomb by far. I can say that so far I really love this one. I can say that this is probably gonna be my favorite unit. Now the color, the way that the curl, like, I don't even know why do I even have to explain what I like about this unit when y'all can clearly see how bomb this unit is. What more do I have to tell y'all? Y'all could just, I'm leaving because why do I have to tell y'all what I like about this unit, y'all? Like, just get it. And this unit look really good. Like, y'all better go ahead and just get this unit. I don't know what else y'all want me to tell y'all, but I love it. I love it. Now, you may not think it look cute on me, but I look cute, and I cannot wait to show my man what I look like with this wig on. Like, she is cute. She cute. Now let's go ahead and try another wig. All right, so we gonna see what the Outre Neesha 204 wig look like. So girl, I'll be right back. This is the Outre Neesha 204, okay? And this is what this one looked like. And we are gonna go ahead and unpackage this unit. Now, so this is what she's looking like after I put this unit on. Now, I have not cut the lace on this unit. Now, I am going to try to shift her and see how she would look if I want to wear her as a side part. So this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and style this unit which way the wig will actually look cute on me. So I'll be right back, girl. We're about to go ahead and start styling this unit, and I'll give you my final thoughts about this unit. So with this unit actually has a lot more volume, and it's a lot more, I can say this one has like a lot more volume to it. Like this gives you more like a blowout, and you know, you got some nice fluffy curls going on here, girl. This unit, I can say this unit is cute as well, but this is not one of my favorite Outre Neesha wigs. I can't say that I like the one that I just had on before, girl. I really loved that one before. This one, it's okay, but I think this one would do justice if it wasn't a middle part, if you understand what I'm saying. I think this unit would have been perfect if they were to style this particular unit and style it as a side part now. But for some strange reason though, I don't know why this unit comes off looking better as a side part than it does wearing it as a middle part. For some strange reason, it just don't look good on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you my opinions about this unit. Do I think this wig is actually worth buying? Of course, girl, this unit is most definitely worth buying as well. This is not one of my favorite ones. I actually like the one before this one better than this one for some strange reason. I don't really know why, but I just do. I really do love the color on this unit. I think this color is really cute. I actually think that I would be wearing this unit probably in the fall time, especially with this color. I think this unit would look very bomb if it wasn't an all natural color like black or like a dark brown color. It came to styling this unit, it was very easy to style. All I did was take my blow dryer and add heat right here on the top. Not too much heat though, girl, just a little bit. This color right here, I used that color and I put it right there in the parting space, and that was it. What do you ladies think about this unit? Leave all your comments. Give this video a like if you like puppies. Comment something nice and let me know if you are willing to buy this unit or if you're going to buy this unit. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Tag me in your Instagram pictures or your Facebook pictures and show me how you rocking your new Neesha wig, and let me know your thoughts and how you feel about the new Neesha wig. And girl, I will catch you in my next wig review.